Whoosh! Hello and welcome to Backtolandandco. Pregnancy is like a virus invasion to the body. Life is a flame that is always burning itself out, but it catches fire again every time a child is born. With muscles shifting and jostling, the heart pounding, breathing speed up as blood roars through the veins and arteries. Over the course of pregnancy, every organ in the body changes. Just days after fertilization, the embryo implanted in the lining of the uterus, its DNA doesn't exactly match the mother's immune system, will theoretically recognize it as an invader attack and destroy it like they would destroy virus or other harmful microbes. That is the challenge. The mother immune system needs to protect both her and the fetus, but can't as it usually does. What happened is not as simple as decreasing the immune response. Instead, it's a complex interaction we are just beginning to understand, involving many different types of immune systems, some of which seem to protect the fetus from attack by other immune cells. The body also creates an antibacterial plug made of mucus on the surface, which keeps germs away and stays sealed until labor. As pregnancy progresses, the uterus expands upward and outward, with the growing fetus. To make room, the hormones called progesterone and relaxin signal muscles to loosen. The muscles that propel food and waste through the digestive tract also loosen, which makes them sluggish, causing constipation as passage through the tract slows down. Loosening muscles at the top of the stomach might allow acid to escape into the esophagus and throat, causing heartburn and reflux. These changes might worsen morning sickness, which is caused in part by hormone called hCG, and can also happen at other times of the day. As the uterus grows, it pushes on the diaphragm, the muscles that expand and contract the chest with each breath. This limits the diaphragm range. To compensate, the hormone progesterone acts as a respiratory stimulant, making a pregnant woman breathe faster, so both her and the baby can both get enough oxygen with the less lung capacity. This all may leave the pregnant woman feeling shortness of breath. Meanwhile, the kidney make more erythropoietin, a hormone that increases red blood cell production. The kidneys also keep extra water and salt rather than filtering it out into the urine to build up the volume of the blood. A pregnant woman's blood volume increases by 50% or more, but it is also a bit diluted because it only has 25% more red blood cells. Usually, the body makes blood cells using iron from the food we eat. During pregnancy, the fetus is also building its own blood supply from nutrients in the mother's food, leaving less iron and other nutrients for the mother. The heart has to work extra hard to pump all this blood through the body and the placenta as the pregnant woman's heart rate increases. But we do not fully understand how blood pressure changes in healthy pregnancy, which is an important area of research because some of the most serious complications are related to heart and blood pressure. The expanding uterus may press on veins causing fluids build up in the legs and feet. If it presses on a large vein called inferior vena cava, it might interfere with the blood returning to the heart, causing dizziness with drop in blood pressure after standing for too long. Some of these changes start to reverse even before birth. Shortly before delivery, the fetus drops down, decreasing the pressure on the diaphragm and allowing the pregnant woman to take deeper breaths. During labor and birth, much of the extra fluid are lost when the water breaks. The uterus shrinks back down in weeks after birth. Like the rest of the body, pregnancy affects the brain, but its effects are some of the least understood. Recent study shows differences in the brain scan after pregnancy, and early parenting suggested that these changes are adaptive. That means they could help with parenting skills, such as increasing the ability to read facial cues, since babies cannot talk. The lack of information about pregnancy's effect on the brain highlights a general truth. Historically, almost all the research pregnancies is focused on the fetus rather than the pregnant woman. Experiences of pregnancy vary widely within the range of healthy pregnancy and due to complicating health conditions. New researches will help us understand why and develop effective treatment where necessary. In the meantime, Every pregnancy is different, and it is important to consult a doctor with any specific question. People who say they sleep like a baby usually don't have one. If you are a pregnant woman watching this video right now, remember that you are powerful, you are bold, and you are beautiful. Go forward in your boldness, and in your beauty, you shall find comfort. Trust God and your body to birth, and know that the collective power of women worldwide will be with you on the day of your delivery. Thank you for watching. Don't smash the like button too hard because I do not want your water to break. Just go ahead and give it a click. God bless you. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.